It's Discount Diva. I had a few minutes to my lunch and I decided to stop and visit the Dollar Tree. I needed some forks and I needed some things, and I figured let me just make do with my time and just run in. But you can't just run in because you end up looking through other aisles and getting interested in seeing what cute things this particular Dollar Tree has. So I wanted to start off by telling you guys what I found, and it is so great. I can't believe I found these DVDs. You guys ready? Sex and the City. Do you know how much these DVDs cost? These DVDs cost about $20 a DVD. Look at that. This one is called The Breakups. And I hear that Sex and the City is being relaunched. And this one is Mr. Big. So I'm excited to have these. I like to have my DVDs. I know no one really has DVDs anymore. Everything is on TV, Netflix, Vudu, all these different places where you can have your movies. But I like the old school, just looking through your DVDs and just popping it into the DVD player or attached to the TV. And I thought that was a great bargain to find a Sex and the City DVD at the Dollar Tree, so I was excited about that. But of course I did find my forks. I just wanted to have the forks, but I ended up having the cutlery set and I couldn't find the regular white, so I just got the gold. The line was just growing and growing and I just wanted to really just be in and out. I ended up also finding more of these little baskets. These were the baskets that I wanted to find because this is the one that I want to use for my kitchen. So, and if these don't work out, I can always use them for like gift baskets for the girls. So I got that. You have two. It's a 2-pack for $1. And then I found those little BFF fuzzy friends, the plushies, so they can each give one to each other. BFFs. And I always tell them your best friend is your sister. So that I found that so adorable. I got me some ped socks, and these are the love ones, and this is a great bargain because you get two, so a 2-pack for $1. And these are the nice gel tabs. I've bought the other colors, but I was so surprised to see that they had the well, not surprised, I was so happy to see that they have the Valentine pattern to the peds. I also found more candles, and it's kind of hard smelling through your mask, but I still attempted to smell and it seemed like it was a doable scent. And this one is nice because it's the cranberry sage. I like these, although what I said before, the throw is not strong in big rooms, but it's perfect for small rooms, your bathroom. So I like to burn these in the bathroom. And I also found another one, and this one is a caramel maple. Smells amazing. It just smells like nice mapley. Great, I love it. I also found the doorknobs that I was looking for. My oldest loves doorknob decoration, so this I'm going to give them for them to have in their room. And I like the fact that it has a hot pink, so that's adorable. They had the red, but it looked like it was a little damaged, and I'm like, nah, let me just go with the pink. So I went with this one. I also was looking for some roses. I have red for the center table, but I wanted to have like a hot pink for my other table, and I found these. And I have a clear vase at home, so I could just throw it in there and just arrange it nicely. I also found this beautiful berry garland, and it's 9 feet tall. Look how gorgeous it is with the little branches. How gorgeous is that? This is definitely more than $1. So I was happy to see that. I also found these funky socks. It's almost like cheetah with little hearts. These are so adorable. I love these. So cute. I also found, where's the other one? Can't find it. Oh, lip liners. I found these Maybelline eye pencil, And I thought the color was so beautiful. It's a rusty terracotta. So I wanted to try this, especially for now, the winter. This is a nice color. Being that you can't show off your lips, you can emphasize your eyes. So this was a beautiful color. Bring a little pop to your color, to your eyes. And I also found this violet, this nice purple. And this is by Wet n Wild, and it's called Violet Offender. I would swatch these. I may even swatch these before I finish the video, and I have time. And then I got this pack of cups. I love to buy these cups for the girls when they're brushing their teeth. They can rinse out, so I use these for rinse cups. And last but not least, what I've been looking for that's so essential now because we have been running so much loads, and it's the detergent pods. I've only been able to find the what's the brand? I forgot what the brand was, but these have more because you get 10 packs. The other brand only gives you, I believe, 4. I can't even remember the brand now. I just got a blur. So yeah, I just picked up 2 because these, you can't find these anymore. Well, in the ones that I visited, you can't. So I believe that is what I purchased for today. I was very happy to see these DVDs. Let me see if I can give you guys a quick, I have no makeup on today, that's why it may look funny, but I'll give you guys a quick swatch of the eyeliners that I bought. Let me just put a little bit of antibacterial, if I can find it. Maybe not. We're gonna go back to work with one terracotta eye and the other one purple. Okay, so this is a color. At first I thought it was for your lips, but I see that the picture is for your eyes. See that? But nowadays you can use it for anything, lips, eyes. So that's the color. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. I'm gonna be looking like a hot mess when I get back to work. Okay, the color's pretty. Just have to blend it. I didn't think I was gonna be swatching, but I'm just gonna look through the mirror. Okay. I actually like the color a lot. You can even make like a wing eye. I wanna. Well, you get the color. You see the color, right? It's pretty. It's actually really pretty. I'm trying to do more of a little wing eye. Okay, so that's the color. That's terracotta. And it's Maybelline. It's a brand name, so that's nice to find. And this one is On Edge Wet n Wild, the purple one. So I'll swatch that one also. So I can look crazy. One brown eye and one purple eye. Open up. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna put my glasses back on, so it's fine. Wow, this is like really packed in there. Okay. Oh, and it's cruelty free. It has a little heart saying it's cruelty free. Okay, that's pretty. It's not so much metallic. It's very smooth. That's the purple. It's called On Edge. So let's see what that looks like. I would touch my eye with my hand, but being that I was just at the Dollar Tree, I really don't want to do that. Although I did use antibacterial, but just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna have to do it with the actual pencil because I would have just picked up my eye to help it out a little bit. So yeah, I didn't know I was gonna be doing a little swatch tutorial. Okay, so you guys see the different colors? I'm trying to do a little wing eye, but I'm getting close to having to go back to work. But you guys get the drift. That's the Wet n Wild, and that's the Maybelline. The purple and the terracotta. The On Edge. That's pretty. That purple is really pretty. Okay. Alright. So that was it, guys. Why do I sound so exhausted? Okay. So those were the testers of the 2 products, of the 2 eyeliners that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to show you guys the colors. These colors are even so pretty. Very pretty. You can even use it as a lip liner. Okay. So that was it for my quick Dollar Tree haul that I wanted to share with you guys. And I hope you guys liked this video. I wanted to share with you guys the goodies that I found at the Dollar Tree. And till next time, I put my glasses on so they don't think that I'm crazy. Okay, see? Thank you for watching my video. And until next time, Discount Diva.